Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Robinhood to your Vanguard account. So basically to transfer your Robinhood assets to Vanguard, we are going to follow this Robinhood support article. And basically and simply to transfer any account or any trading accounts between each other or assets between many accounts, you will need to go through broker ACETS. That means the Automated Customer Account Transfer Service. And basically, this will be made or will be processed by the broker company. And before initiating any transfer, make sure that you resolve any account restriction that you have in Robinhood. And also make sure that you have no negative balance in your account. And after that, you can begin the process of transferring through the receiving broker. And basically here we are in my Vanguard and all I did is just type Vanguard account transfer and make sure that you already have your account. So make sure that you are logged in and from there you can start transfer by checking and learning how to do so. So as you can see, the step one is to identify which account you'd like to transfer. So you will want to transfer your accounts from Robinhood to your Vanguard account. Also, then you will need to gather your information. So basically, you will need to have many documents that you will need. So you can just click on Start Transfer, and then you will need to log in and follow the steps. So basically, you will be required many documents, like for example, your account number that you can find in Robinhood by going to your account and then go to your investing, and you will find your account number. Also, you will be required many other documents. You will send them, and you might be required to uh, fill in some form or sign up to a form in Vanguard. You do the process, and basically the request will be applied, and you will receive confirmation through email. And basically, the process of transferring will start, and you will have your assets transferred to your Vanguard. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.